Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a claymation red carpet makeup adventure. Meet Clayla, our adorable clay model, prepping for the biggest movie premiere of the year. She's ready to channel superstar confidence and Hollywood glam. This look is all about boldness, sparkle, and pure fun. We'll transform Clayla from everyday cute to red carpet icon. Our studio is set, tiny brushes, vibrant clay paints, and a director's chair just for her. Forget complicated rules. This is about experimenting and celebrating your unique style. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, follow along or just enjoy the show. By the end, Clayla, and you, will be ready to shine at any event. The cameras are rolling, the red carpet is out, and our star is waiting. Let's get started and create some claymation makeup magic. Ready? Let's roll! Every masterpiece starts with a smooth canvas. For Clayla, that means smoothing her clay skin and giving her a mini spa day. We'll use a soft sponge and a touch of water to prep her face. Think of it as moisturizer for clay. Next, a special sticky clay primer goes on to help makeup last all night. Under the eyes, a lighter, creamier clay brightens and hydrates. Don't forget the lips. We'll gently exfoliate and add a dab of clear gloss for a perfect lipstick base. These steps ensure a flawless, hydrated surface for makeup. For you, prepping means clean, moisturized skin and a good primer. A little under-eye care and lip balm go a long way. Now, Clayla's face is prepped and ready for transformation. Let's move on to creating that flawless base. The magic is just beginning. Time to give Clayla that flawless movie star complexion. We'll bounce a perfectly matched clay foundation over her face for a seamless finish. Build coverage slowly. Skin should look radiant, not heavy. Next, a lighter clay concealer brightens under the eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. Blend gently for a natural, lifted look. Set everything with a dusting of translucent clay powder, focusing on the T-zone and under the eyes. This locks in the base and keeps it fresh all night. For you, use a damp sponge for foundation and concealer, then set with powder. The result? A bright, flawless canvas ready for glam. Clayla's skin is glowing and ready for the spotlight. The transformation is already taking shape. Let's sculpt and add some glow. On to contour and highlight. Now, let's sculpt Clayla's features for that red carpet definition. Using a cool-toned brown clay, we'll contour her cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. A touch along the nose slims and shapes. Blend well for a natural, chiseled effect. Next, it's time for highlighter. A shimmery clay mix dusted on cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and brow bone. This catches the light and gives her that Hollywood glow. Don't be shy. Red carpet glam is all about a blinding highlight. The balance of shadow and light makes her features pop. For you, contour and highlight bring instant dimension and radiance. Clayla is now sculpted, glowing, and ready for her close-up. Let's make those eyes dazzle. On to the eyes. Time to make Clayla's eyes the star of the show. We'll define her brows with brown clay, focusing on a natural, structured shape. For eyeshadow, blend warm bronze and chocolate tones for a classic smoky look. Add a pop of metallic shimmer to the center of the lid for extra drama. A sharp, black-winged liner elongates her eyes. Pure Hollywood glamour. Now, the lashes. We'll sculpt and attach dramatic, fluttery clay lashes. For you, try volumizing mascara or false lashes for that red carpet effect. Big, bold lashes and smoky eyes create instant allure. Clayla's gaze is now mesmerizing and full of star power. The eyes are the ultimate showstopper. Ready for the perfect pout? Let's finish with lips and cheeks. Almost there. Let's add a healthy flush and a statement lip to complete Clayla's look. Sweep a peachy pink blush onto the apples of her cheeks, blending upward for a fresh, radiant glow. Blush ties the whole look together and adds life to the face. Now for the lips line with a red clay pencil for definition and fullness. Fill in with a vibrant red lipstick. Classic, bold, and glamorous. A red lip is the ultimate confidence booster. For you, a sharp lip line and bold color make all the difference. Clayla's lips are now the perfect centerpiece. Her cheeks glow, her lips pop, and her look is pure Hollywood. The transformation is complete. Just one more step to lock it all in. Let's set the look for the spotlight. Final touches ahead. The masterpiece is done, but we need to make it last. We'll spritz Clayla with a setting spray to lock in every detail. This melts powders together and keeps makeup flawless all night. The setting spray adds a radiant finish and protects against smudging. Now, Clayla is ready for hugs, photos, and dancing. No touch-ups needed. She steps onto the red carpet, cameras flashing, confidence shining. Her glow, bold eyes, and perfect pout steal the show. Makeup isn't about changing who you are, it's about celebrating your best self. Clayla owns the red carpet, and so can you. Thanks for joining this claymation glam adventure. Until next time, keep shining.